Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. One of my friends asked me what do birds do when it snows like it did the other day. Do they store up food, or do they eat more when they know it's approaching? Where do they go? And I said, I think they get some of the food from some of the trash or the people moving back and forth cleaning. So I saw 3 birds this morning, 3 sparrows, and decided I would get them something to eat. I purchased a bag of popcorn and gave it to these birds. Now they have something to eat. Allah willing, they have something to eat. His eye is on the sparrow, and I know he watches me.